Alright, David Harry here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to connect two microphones to your GoPro, and in particular this will work with the GoPro 8 with either the Media Mod or the original GoPro Pro 3.5mm mic adapter, and it will also work with the Hero 7, 6 and 5 blacks, also with the original GoPro Pro 3.5mm mic adapter. Now what it is, this video is actually in a response to a comment made by JB in one of my recent videos, so hopefully JB, this will help you understand how I'd connected the stuff in that video where you left a comment on. Okay, so I'm going to crack into this then and let's get on with it. So what we're looking at here then is the original GoPro Pro 3.5mm mic adapter, two microphones, also a Media Mod. There's the two cables associated with the two microphones, and then this cable here. So on the original GoPro Pro 3.5mm mic adapter, we have a microphone input here. This microphone input is a female 3.5mm TRS socket. The T stands for tip, the R stands for ring, and the S stands for sleeve. The T is the live feed to the left channel, the R is the live feed to the right channel, and the S is the ground or the common ground for both the left and the right channels. And on the back of the Media Mod we have exactly the same thing here. And so what we're looking at here now is the white cable, and on this end here we have a 3.5mm jack plug, and what happens here is the same thing as what I've just explained with the GoPro inputs. The T feeds the left, the R feeds the right, and the S, which is the sleeve, is the common ground. And what we have on this side of the cable are two 3.5mm female jack sockets. The white one is feeding the T, so it's going to left, and the red one is feeding the R, which is going to the right. But importantly, both of these are also wired TRS as well. So the first thing that I'm going to do here is to connect one of the Rode Video Micros to the left hand channel, or channel 1 of the Y cable, and to do that we just simply use the TRS to TRS cable that comes with the Rode Video Micro. So just connect it as you normally would to the output of the Rode Video Micro, and then we simply take the other end of the cable and plug it into the left channel or the left side of the Y cable. So what I'm going to do now is to connect the second Rode Video Micro to the right hand side, or channel 2 of the Y cable, and again the same thing, just use the TRS to TRS cable that comes with the Rode Video Micro. Once again, we're just plugging it into the output of the Rode Video Micro, and then the other end goes into the red socket here, or we can call this the right hand side, or channel 2. Now all we have to do is to connect the 3.5mm TRS jack plug from the Y cable to the 3.5mm TRS female socket on the GoPro Pro 3.5mm mic adapter. So once we do that, the cable here, which is the left hand side, which is connected to our microphone, feeds the left channel inside here, and then the right one does exactly the same thing but on the right hand side. And then if you're using the Media Mod, you just do the exact same thing like that, and then you've got your left and your right microphones, or microphone 1 and microphone 2, connected to the Media Mod as well. Now just before I finish this bit here, if anybody is a little unclear as to what TRS is, or TS or TRRS and all that type of stuff, let me know in the comments section to this video, and I will do another video that explains what those sockets are and go into a bit more detail about them. And one last thing here as well, if you would like to see and hear this exact setup being used, there will be a link in the descriptions below taking you to a video where I've used this exact setup. Okay, so there we have it then. That is one way that you can connect two microphones to the GoPro's Hero 8, 7, 6 or 5 blacks. Now I'm going to leave this video really quick and short hopefully, because I think I'll have just uploaded another video which was about 12 minutes long of me just sitting in front of the camera talking. Okay, so I'll get off now. I'm David Harry. Thank you very much for watching this video. Take care and goodbye now.